we could help our clients since
Yes,
I believe Rockwell has a lot of banks na accredited.
Correct.
Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So for today's vlog, together with me is Sir Andre, our Senior Sales Executive. So for Rockwell. So kung gagawin natin ngayon, we will going to have a tour sa actual unit.
Yes, sir. So this is an actual unit at Namanansala. It's a 2-bedroom, 82 square meter unit.
Sige, we're so excited kasi actual na to. And again, bago tayo pumasok dito, I really noticed yung very high ceiling ni Rockwell. Yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko among all the condominium projects dito eh. So, yun yung pang ano ni Rockwell, yung very, yung high ceiling. Ilan yung meter?
3 meters, sir, for this building. And then, average, sir, kasi in the Philippines is 2.5, 2.4. But with Rockwell, we have a 3-meter ceiling height for our units.
That's nice. Sige. Let's go.
Okay, let's
go. Let's begin our tour. So,